Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. I've got here an unusual as it's a monocoque motorhome. Comes from La Marca. It's manufactured in Italy. La Marca is from Landsberg am Lech in Bavaria. This thing here is going to cost 156,000 euros, 7 meter long, 228 wide and 295 in height. So let's have a little walk in and have a look at it. Now, one of the advantages of the monocoque is that it's better when it comes to water, or rather non-water ingress. Not having plates glued together, then that makes it's one piece. That's quite positive. It also tends to be lighter than other vehicles. It does have a major, however, disadvantage, and that major disadvantage is the cost. Costs a fortune. Now, this La Marca is a comparatively new brand. It was started up by a dealer, and a dealer who brought out his own motorhome brand. So that's where the origin comes from for this vehicle. Now here we've got oops, that doesn't nice single bed layout. It's not a German layout because there's no plate to come over here, but you can sleep if there's one of you, you can sleep widthwise, or you can sleep in two singles if there's two of you. At the back here, storage as you'd expect all the way around, and it's high. Could do with an extra shelf in there actually, and I don't like things like this. It's all right for storing things like cushions, but not much else. Pillows. Got some TV could go up here, and there's a look down this side. The kitchen is with 3 burners, largish sink, a fridge down here, and drawers under the sink. Oh, it's got proper sides. Yeah, proper sides to that. Also, storage under the bed, which sorry, I did show you that. What we're doing. Filmed so much today, I'm beginning to forget what I've shown and what I haven't shown. Very nice. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this shower unit. That is good. I'm not so keen on these things because you can't actually put your water anywhere because it all sort of flows out. But so this will lift up. Oh, well, it should lift up anyway. No, it needs a bit of attention. But you got your toilet below it. Large table, L-shaped sitting group, and chairs at the front will turn around. This is called the Atlantis. I'll show you the bed as well. So the bed works like this. Actually, it's in the firing position there, so I'll turn it to the non-firing position. I'll press the button. You see, nothing happens. Turn this around to like that. Press the button, and what happens? That gives you an idea of how big the bed is. Now, before you put a bed down, of course, you do remove all the glasses and things from the table. So I did look at that as I was putting the bed down because I wanted to actually demonstrate how it is. Now, some beds will only work in 2 positions. That's the top and the bottom. There's the top you can't actually, and the bottom that's where you sleep. But in this one here, it can go at various positions should it so be needed. So it gives you an idea of the size. And under here, you can see what it looks like from here with the slatted use. All right, so I'll put this back up. You see the bed there moving. And as you come down, there's a little bit of space up there for your bed clothes, but the big question is, what's it like below? there's me under the bed in this position. I'm 1.75 m, and as you can see, I can put my hand under my head. So it's that isn't too bad. There are lots of brands where you really got to duck as you come into this part of the vehicle. They've got the bed over the semi-dinette and it doesn't work, but here it's okay, it works. Extension to the kitchen there. Telly can go up here. That's seems a bit, obviously the television sort of swings out, and so it depends where you're sitting. No, it's not such bad that being like that, that's okay. And large table. Whatever you think of the design, well, design is the design. Matter of taste. If you wanted something else to design other colours, then I'm sure they'll do it. Skylight up here lets in lots of light. In here, bit of storage, although I think it could do with a net above it. And of course you can keep stuff up here as well, sort of leather trim to it here. This is on the Fiat Ducato automatic gearbox, and there's the view down here. Now another thing is the double floor. I'm always going about double floors. I will never get another van that doesn't have a double floor. That's the space in it. Okay, here you can see we've got access to the Truma frost guard. So there's the boiler on the right hand side, and that if you need to dump your water or something, or if it gets too cold in there, then Truma will do it for you. At a temperature below 3 degrees centigrade, the frost guard will activate and it will dump all the water in your tank. So you want to be careful of that. That's to protect the boiler, that's why that's there. Let's now come out. Notice the skylights in the roof, and I shall walk out and walk around. Kind of rucksacker. Good job I took mine off. Right, this is the garage. Oh wow, it's open. And see how much space you got in here. This vehicle's manufactured in Italy. I suppose it's a competitor to the Wingamm, and does certainly come in at a similar price to Wingham's. And although it's not manufactured, the monocoque isn't at the same place. Good. Essential piece of equipment. Rear camera. Absolutely essential. Let's come round. And there you go. So that is La Marca Atlantis De Luxe 695 7 metre monocoque motorhome. And this is Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. So thanks so much for watching. If you found it interesting, and if you did, then you might want to subscribe, and if you didn't, then you certainly won't want to. Bye for now.